Welcome to SoftGuard Tools. In this video, we will discuss the installation requirements for the SoftGuard platform, along with useful tips and recommendations for the initial startup and configuration process. First and foremost, it is essential to determine the environment in which the SoftGuard platform will be implemented. You have the flexibility to choose between a physical, virtual, or a cloud server. SoftGuard is compatible with any of these scenarios. The requirements may vary based on the size of your monitoring center, including signal traffic, number of accounts, number of modules, and number of mobile applications connected to the server. As a basic requirement, we suggest a quad-core processor. However, as your project scales up, it is advisable to increase the processing power to ensure optimal performance. To meet the minimum memory specifications, especially for the database engine, we recommend at least 16 GB of RAM. For storage, we recommend using solid-state drives with a minimum capacity of 500 GB to maintain fast and efficient response times. To ensure a secure and resilient architecture, it is important to follow some best practices. One crucial aspect is RAID configuration, which provides redundancy in case of disk failure. SoftGuard is compatible with the Microsoft environment. The operating system should be the most up-to-date version available, such as Windows Server 2022. For the database, also from the Microsoft family, SoftGuard uses SQL Server. Once again, we recommend using the latest version available. For more details on the different installation types, we invite you to check our InfoTech 198. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content from SoftGuard, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.